Hey Stan,
What's up?
our viewers want to know if we still got it.
Our viewers want to know if I still got it with the pinstripes.
Yes, sir.
What are we striping?
This car right here to the right side.
Right side. Okay, let's get it.
Yes, sir.
We have I need a razor blade. Let me get one. So a common mistake that guys make whenever they're pinstriping is they'll cut it. They'll cut it like to cut the middle out. They'll cut it all the way, and what happens, you can see the scratch. So what you want to do is you want to put the razor on the tape and just kind of push it down. Push it down, and if you have a new blade, it should cut it. A lot of guys that put pinstripes, they'll cut it like that down, and it actually leaves a line. So that looks a lot cleaner. So we're gonna come right here, again, right here. Let's push it down, push it down, push it down, push it down, and I'm gonna use this to kind of pop it out. Boom. Oh, we're good.